All right, guys, hello. This is the video that'll walk you through the second Minecraft Hour of Code. So let's go to Course Catalog here. You click on Course Catalog, Minecraft, there we go. And we're doing the Minecraft Heroes Journey. So let's hit start and check it out. Just like last time, we'll be taking at least a brief look at every single level here, okay? Choose your hero, and you always read the instructions. In this Minecraft Hour of Code, you actually get controls here, okay? You can sometimes make your character move around, okay? So anyways, when run, move forward. Let's try it. Here we go. He opened the door, and now I can move out. And I have to collect the chest. There we go. So in this one, you've got your arrow keys here, and you and your agent work together, okay? Move your agent with code, and you move yourself with your arrows. Get the map. Okay. So the agent needs to move forward twice, so why don't I just use a repeat? Okay. Now what? Whoop. It said get the map, right? There we go. That's it. So we didn't have to worry about the diamond. See, again, it's all about reading the instructions first. And remember, always watch the videos. I'm going to skip them, but you should always be watching them. All right, Alex continues on the adventure and needs the compass to prepare for the trip. Code the agent to open the gate. So yeah, they've already got our correct number in the repeat block, but if they didn't, I could fix it right here. It looks like it's literally just a move forward. And then just like the last couple levels, I just need to move the hero in there and collect the compass. Okay, that's level 3. Level 4, the agent can hover over water, but the player can't. Cool, so the agent has an advantage here. Use a repeat loop to solve this puzzle and help Alex get the bucket behind the door. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens if the agent just goes up there. You know what, though? He's facing the wrong way, right? Isn't he? No, he's not. He's not facing the wrong way. Wow, that's literally it. Just like the last couple, they're just showing us that the agent can move over water. Okay, but other than that, it's literally just the same as the last levels. Then I would just use the hero to move up there and get the bucket. That would be the end of that level. So far, so easy. All right, get Alex safely through the maze to collect the axe. All right, I'm guessing we need to move the agent onto one of these pads here. 1, 2, turn, 1, 2. Okay. Move forward, move forward. Turn right. And what this will do, since we're saying repeat 2 times, he'll go forward, forward, right, forward, forward, and then he'll turn right while he's on the pad, but that doesn't matter. Yep, same old thing, and then I would use my arrows to control my hero and get them to the axe. And that's it. Moving on. So far, all these levels are very, very similar. Oh no, the bridge is out. Use the place block to build the bridge so Alex can get over to the shovel. Okay, so it looks to me like every time he moves forward, we also need to tell him to place oak planks in the water. Let's see if that works. So I'm only telling it to do it 2 times. That was the default. 1, 2. That's obviously not long enough, right? So what do? How do we fix this? We don't got to play around with a bunch of extra blocks. Just change this to 3. Reset, and let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that's it. And then Alex can just go right over there and collect the shovel. Moving on. Another river, but this one is much wider. Fix this code to help agent build a bridge. So Alex, I mean, it's literally just the same thing again. We just have to have more repeats. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like there's 5 squares of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Alex can move all the... Yep. Boy, guys, these are really simple. Really simple. Moving on. I'm guessing they'll get a little tougher. So this one's all about functions. So let's look at functions, because functions are important. All right, starting with lesson 8 here, we've got functions. All a function is it's a container. It's a container that basically does something that you want to be able to do over and over again. In this instance, I'm guessing we only want to use the function once, but typically you make functions in your code for things that you know you're going to have to do over and over again all the time. Like, for instance, if we were building a video game and we wanted bad guys to run at you whenever they saw you, kind of like a creeper does, we would build that behavior into a function so that we could use it for every single creeper that we wanted to put in our level, okay? And then, so once you've built your function, and this one's already made, so we don't got to go in here and start messing around with it. You literally, to make them run, to make those functions run, you literally just take them from the side. And look, this name is the same as this name. Here's the container with all the instructions in it. And here is where we take it and tell it, when I hit run, I want you to run this function, everything that's in this container. And that's literally all functions are. They're an easy way to sort of make your code a little bit cleaner and simpler looking and put big bunches of instructions kind of off to the side so it doesn't make your code all huge and messy. Okay, that's all it is. Let's hit run, see what happens. Build bridge is the name of the function. Okay. And then he turns. Ooh, look at that. We need to use this twice. Run it again. Build bridge. Build bridge. I think at that point, yeah, that's it. That's the whole thing. Okay. So that's functions. Moving on. Another function. So this one is telling the agent to clear a path. So it's destroying a block, and for some reason it's placing gravel where the block used to be. I'm guessing maybe there's a hole after they destroy the block. Oh, yeah. So there's actually water underneath the ice, so they have to put gravel underneath it. So that's kind of cool. So we can actually, let's think about this. Clear path, move forward, clear path, move forward, clear path. I mean, I guess I'll use the repeat. It really doesn't matter, though. We've got 2 move forwards to put after this first one. Think about it. We need to clear path. Then he needs to move forward a few times. Then we need to clear path. Then he needs to move forward, clear path. And that's it. I don't know if it's 2 move forwards between these 2 or 3. I can't tell right now, so let's just see what happens. I think that's it. Clear path for this ice block. Move forward, clear path, move forward, clear path. Clear path. Move forward, clear path, move forward, clear path. That's it. And, you know, you could always, like, turn and continue doing that if you needed to, but we really don't. I'm guessing that's it. And the agent doesn't block Alex. She can walk right through him, or whoever your hero is can walk right through him. So, easy enough. So you see how functions, instead of having to do this code over and over every time you want him to, what is he doing this time? He's putting rails down, right? So he's fixing the railroad, it looks like. So instead of having to create this code every single time you want him to do that, you can just say fix short path or fix long path. So let's think about that. In the long path, he does it 3 times where he destroys a block, moves forward, and places rails. And in the short path, he only does it 2 times. So that's the difference between those 2 functions. So again, we always read our instructions first. Can you spot the difference between the 2 functions? Use these functions with other code from the toolbox to clear a path, then collect the flint and steel. This one looks cool and kind of challenging. So I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I will sort of show you how to get started. So we want to get to the flint and steel. I don't think it matters which way we go, but maybe it does. We might only be able to break this stuff and not this darker stuff. I'm really not sure. So let's just have the agent go this way. So the first thing he needs to do is turn, right? He's got to turn left to start facing this way. And then he's got to move forward a couple times. Let's see. Run. Move forward, move forward. Okay. And now he can fix a short path, right? All right. Let's see. Forward, move forward. Fix this short path. Cool. Nice. And then we would have him turn again and move forward some more. And then I think since this one is a 3-block one, we would do fix long path. And that looks like that's it. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I want you to do it. All right. Let's see. Look at the functions below. How can you use them to avoid the gas and help Alex make it safely to the enchanted book? So here are our functions: build short bridge and build long bridge. So a long bridge would be one with 5 blocks, and a short bridge would be one with 2 blocks. Can't believe these guys aren't shooting fireballs at us right now, right? All right. Man, they're creepy. So anyways, let's see what happens if we just tell our friend to build a short bridge. Let's see what happens. he's going to need to destroy that block, right? That's in our way. So look, we've got to destroy block. So let's hit reset and do it again. 2, bam. I'm going to let you guys finish this one, okay? After the last level, it shouldn't be too hard for you to figure this one out on your own. I've already gotten you a good start. He's, of course, maybe going to have to move forward a little bit. He's maybe going to have to use the build long bridge. I'm not sure, but this shouldn't be too hard. All right, let's move on to number 12. We got one last video, a congratulations video, and then I'm guessing they just let you do whatever you want. So you can make functions here for him to build different things. You can make functions, and then once, you know, you can rename your functions here. Build railroad. Now, does that do what I want it to do yet? No, that's just the name of the function. I have to actually create some kind of code in here to get him to actually do what I want him to, like place rail and then move forward. And I've got a repeat 4 times, so he's going to do it 4 times. So now, if I connect that here, he could start to build a railroad, okay? And if I wanted it to be longer, I could just do another one, okay? You know, you could have him place grass blocks, there's a million different blocks you could have him place. You could actually probably expand this area and build your own house if you wanted to. The agent can be used to do all sorts of cool stuff, okay? So that's level 12, is just kind of free play by yourself. And show me what you guys made when you finish this, this creative level. All right, have fun.